How to log into Edpuzzle. So you should see a lesson in your OLS that says Edpuzzle Mini Lesson. Open that up, it'll give you instructions on what to do next. Please do not mark this OLS lesson complete until you have actually gone to Edpuzzle and completed the assignment. Then you can come back to the OLS and mark this complete. So this says log into Edpuzzle, complete the lessons assigned to you. If you forgot the username you created, look in ClassKick underneath the assignment Student Information. If you forgot your password you created, you must email me so I can reset it for you. We completed this last Friday in class. So here I'm going to click right here. It's going to take me straight to the Edpuzzle website. So if you created your own username and password already, you're going to click Log In. If you have not created your username and password, I will show you how to sign up in just a moment. So let's log in first. When you click Log In, you'll next need to click I'm a student. Then you will enter the username and password that you created. Then click Log In with Edpuzzle. This will take you straight to your account. You should already be logged in with Math with Miss Bridges. If you have any other classes for Mr. King or Miss Johnson, it'll show here underneath. Okay, so here we are with Math with Miss Bridges, and here I can see I have an assignment assigned to me. I see that red number 1 showing I have one new assignment. So this was the one that I gave you on September 29th, relating multiplication to division. You're going to click on this. It'll take you to the lesson. You'll push play and work all the way through the lesson. As the lesson plays, it'll pause and have you answer short questions as the video goes. Please make sure that you complete the entire video. It's only 6 minutes long. I can see if you've completed the entire video. When you are done, it'll pop over here to completed. So if you want to see what your completed assignments were, you can click here and it'll show here once you're done. Now let's take a look at how to log in if you have not created a username or password. If you have not created an account or username and password, then you'll go over here and click on sign up. So again, you're going to click I'm a student. And then on this page, you're going to click the blue bar that says sign up with Edpuzzle. It's going to ask you for a class code. The class code for Math with Miss Bridges is SIDENFE. SIDENFE. So you'll enter that class code and then click Next. Make sure this is correct. You'll see my name, Math with Miss Bridges. Here you will create the rest of your account. So please put your first name, then your last name, then you are creating a username and password. Make sure this is something that you will remember. You can write it down. Then it will take you straight to this page where you will see your new assignment. And as a reminder, in your ClassKick, you can look for the assignment that says Student Information. Okay, this is just a resource for you, so you can have your email, other usernames and passwords, and if you look down here at the bottom, you'll see Edpuzzle, where you can type in your username and the password that you created, so that way you won't forget. Okay, once you have completed the assignment in Edpuzzle, then you'll come back to your OLS and click the lesson complete.